Hello, Chef here. Once again, another recipe for you. Consider this a masterclass for free. We're focusing on garlic lately, so here I got some fresh garlic. This is going to help you learn this great recipe and boost your immune system. So I'm cooking these big chicken breasts, boneless, skinless breasts. They're really nice. I got 3 of them. By looking at them, they're obviously too big for a portion, so 3 of them's about 6 servings. 6 servings, here you go. I'm going to use 3 of these large cloves of garlic, just like this. 1, 2, 3. You've seen this before. I'll move some things out of my way here. Hammer. Works great. Why would you use anything else? Don't listen to the idiots babbling on TV or paying for special classes or whatever. Why? What's the point? Yeah. You peel it up real quick. Look, I'm already done. The garlic's smashed. The garlic's peeled. It's about ready for the recipe. There we go. Okay, so now, this recipe, I've got 3 chicken breasts, and I've got a bunch of peppercorns. How many peppercorns? I'm going to say there's about 15 there. I'm going to smash them. I want them to be crushed a little bit more like this. Okay, I'm done with the hammer for now. Peppercorns go right in my little cup. Save them for the recipe. Rosemary. 3 teaspoons, 1 per breast. Okay, so you already know what I've got for my ingredients right there. One more ingredient I've got is flour. We're going to use a little bit of flour today. Of course, we're using some extra virgin olive oil. Gotta have that. And some fresh sea salt. Oh, chef likes sea salt. You will too. Real simple here. You're going to clean up the chicken breasts. Want to remove these tough parts here. Okay, just like that. And you want to get in there and get all of the stuff out of there. Paying attention, remove any blood or sinew out of there, okay? This is looking good. I think it's too big for a portion. I'm going to give it a little bit of a twist like this. There we go. Okay, you see what I've done with that chicken breast, right? Now I'm going to flatten it out. Now before I flatten it out, quite often I use plastic wrap. Why? It's more manageable. Doesn't make a mess, get all over the place, and it's the right way to do it. So there we go. Just going to give it a little flatten like this. Oh yeah, there we go. Your French word for the day. Ah, chef's teaching you French. Here we go. Côtelette. This is the chicken côtelette. Poulet côtelette. There we go. All right, it's looking good. I'm going to repeat and I'll be back. Oh yeah, just like that. That's what I'm looking for there. Côtelette. Aha. Okay, so now I'm moving over. I've got this old cast iron pan. It still works. I like it. So I'm using it. Here we go. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Not too much. Chicken breast goes right into flour like this. I want to lightly flour the chicken, okay? Lightly flour like this. Not too much. Shake that flour off there. Oh yeah. The pan's getting nice and warm. Cast iron's nice. It's good for your health. Releases a little bit of iron into your diet. Transfers heat really nice. There's nothing wrong with it. It's something that's going to last you a long, long time too. Okay, chicken goes in, and you let it cook. Okay, we're looking good. When the chicken starts to get some color, starts to get a little color on there, like this, we turn it over. Oh yeah. And you let it cook. Oh yeah. That's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, when the chicken's getting brown on both sides, remove it from the cast iron. We're putting it in a roasting pan now, okay? I'm going to do this and I'm going to repeat each chicken. Okay, here we go. The last chicken breast coming out of the pan here. It's nice and brown, looking really good. I've got them all lined up in the roasting pan, as you can see. Oh yeah. Now, got to finish on this pan here. So I'm going to take this garlic that I smashed. I'm going to give it just the smallest little chop. There we go. Rough chopped garlic. Need a little more olive oil just to brown it up there. That's all we're going to do. Oh yeah. Peppercorns go in. Rosemary goes in. Yeah. Let it cook just a little bit. I'm also going to put bay leaf in there. I like to put a bay leaf. Okay? Just like that. Oh yeah, smells so good. That's what we're looking for right there. 3 ounces of really good French wine. Also adding 4 ounces of rich chicken stock. Oh yeah. If you're not sure about rich chicken stock, how to make a really good stock, just check out the channel right there. Subscribe right down there and search it on the channel. You're going to find it. All different kinds of stocks, broths, soups, really, really good, rich stuff. You're going to love it. I've got a couple more things I'm going to put in here. Something you've never seen before. We're going to kick it up a little here, okay? These are some dried lemon slices. I've got a little bit of lemon, flavor we want to put in there. Citrus, it's good for you. Yeah. Okay, get these things out of my way here. Salt, let's put some salt in here. Yeah, gotta have some salt. Okay, this is reduced down. It's deglazed. I like it. The heat goes off. Okay, so I got the chicken in the pan. Here goes my garlic and my stock. My rosemary right over like this. Oh, do you think that's going to be good? Yeah, I think so too. So I'm going to cover this. Personally, I don't like to use aluminum foil. I'm going to be covering this with one of those silicone liners. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for about half an hour. I'll be back. Oh yeah, the finished chicken, look at that. Yeah, it's looking really, really good. You know the chicken's done when the juices run clear. You can use a meat thermometer if you like to. I really like this stock here. This sauce is going to be awesome. And all this fresh garlic is going to be so good. I'm going to give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning. Then I'll be back to plate up the meal. Oh, wow. Okay, here we go. Just plating up some of this chicken. It's looking really, really good. I'm going to serve maybe one large piece like this. A couple of these awesome little roasted potatoes right around the chicken. Kind of a paisan style here. There we go. Oh yeah, looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Couple pieces of fresh asparagus. We're gonna put them. Maybe we're gonna cross them. Yeah, we're gonna cross them today. Okay, just like this. Oh yeah, looking really nice. And of course some of these natural pan juices, because we got this awesome wine chicken stock reduction going on. This goes right across the whole thing. I'm going to put about 4 or 5 ounces here. Yeah, you can see I selected a large deep bowl so that a lot of this juice would remain here as well. It's going to be really, really good. And oh, that's what I'm looking for right there. I did want to put a little tomato garnish. Selected a razor sharp ceramic knife here. Kyocera. Love it. Just gonna put a little This tomato heart, right like this. A couple of slices. This tomato is super ripe, and the knife still goes right through it here, okay? I'll put a little bit right across the top like this. Yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsors. Oh, yeah. Leave a comment. Get cooking. Have a beautiful day. Oh, it's going to be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Like, share, subscribe. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax.